Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. I always do that. Every single time I do my intro, I always run my hand through my hair. Don't know why, but anyhow, this video is sponsored by Amanda Hair. They sent me a T-part 22-inch 613 180 density wig. And let me just tell you, this wig is gorgeous. Nothing like I ever had before. Nothing like any other T-part wig I've ever worn before, especially because it is 613. The hair on this unit is such good quality. Like, you could just see by me running my hands through it, I'm not having any snags or tangles, and I love that for this wig. Like, this wig is just it. And did I mention it's super affordable, and the quality is just gorgeous. The lace was easy to tint, and it took me no time to put on. I have no glue on this wig. This wig is 100% glueless, and let me just tell you, this wig is, I'm here for it. I'm all here for it. Everything and more. Perfection. And I'm not going to do too much rambling. I'm going to show you guys how I got this color using Wella, and I'm also going to just do the wig install and talk to you guys about the whole process while I color it and give you guys a little review. But this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. I have nothing bad to say. There's nothing wrong with this wig. Like, it's perfect. And let me just stop rambling. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So definitely go ahead and check it out. The wig is impeccable quality. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial.
For this color job, I'll be using Wella T14, Wella T11, and Wella Cream Developer in 20 volume. For every bottle of Wella that I used, the T11 and the T14, I did 2 parts developer, so I ended up doing 4 parts developer and 1 bottle of T14, 1 bottle of T11, and I ended up having to mix in a larger bowl because that bowl was too small. After transferring the product over to a bigger bowl, I mixed and mixed and mixed, and the end result should look somewhat of coconut jelly. So when you are depositing the toner onto the hair, you want to make sure you get the roots. You want to make sure that you saturate the hair in toner. I cannot stress this enough. This and only this will allow for your blonde to not have patches once it's toned and to be all one color. Also, I did end up coloring and leaving the toner on this hair for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes after to make sure that all the hair is processed with the toner and that it sat on the blonde for a good little minute so that everything would come out even. I wouldn't have any patches, etc. So just make sure you do that, and trust me, you'll have the best looking toned hair ever.
this is the end of that tutorial. It was really short and spicy because this wig is literally a wig that is meant to be minimal work, period. It is a T-part wig, 180 density, 22 inches, and it is blonde. It's 613. I did go in and show you guys some b-roll footage of how I did the color, and I just pretty much used two different wellas, the T11 and the T14, to achieve this type of icy ash gray type of situation. I feel like it still has yellow hues to it. It also has some sort of olive, because that's why I wore the shirt. It really complemented, or the yellow in the hair complemented the shirt. So it has like an olive yellow undertone, but it's still giving grit, and I actually like it. I am here for it. It's giving Storm. She's cute, and the hair is actually super duper affordable, and it is super good quality. This is different from every other blonde wig that I've ever had, because it's literally a T-part wig. Never had a blonde T-part wig, so you know, it's no parting space on the sides, it's just a middle part, and it gives frontal-esque vibes. So you are able to like tuck the hair, you know, pull out some sideburns, do something really nice and quick. But because it's just a middle part, I just wanted to do a middle part, no baby hairs. It's just sleek, period, and I really like it. I'm getting the feel of it. It's not something I do on a normal basis. I don't usually do color, but I've had this wig for so long, and now that I've decided to install it, I wish I have done it earlier, or had done it earlier, because this hair is such good quality. It's really nice and soft. The hair fibers feel strong. It's just really all you want for a blonde wig, and I'm sure that they have regular 13x4s and all that good stuff, closures, frontal wigs in the same 613, but this T-part wig, girl, it's a T. You do have the option to do baby hairs, but I just opted for, you know, just sleek, no baby hairs, basic, and I'm here for it. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig, the links will be in my description box to do so. Thank you to Amanda Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am in love with it. I can't wait to post pictures on my Instagram and show you guys how I look in this unit. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.